All of these animals start with the letter T, as in Tom. This animal doesn't exist anymore, but what's this one?
Dinosaur. T-Rex.
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
See?
What animal is this? They all start with the letter T.
Tiger shark.
Yes, Limbo.
Sorry, dude.
You're like the worst person.
All right, what's this one?
Tasmanian devil.
Yes.
Dude, what?
Oh, you're pretty good at that.
Okay, what's this one?
Tarantula.
Yes. Wow.
That was good. That was really
Showing
good.
off. Okay, what's this one?
Oh, tree frog.
Yes.
You got it. Yeah, that was
Nice. Okay, what's this one?
T-Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
She got.
Oh,
she said
Wait,
T-Rex.
I got it.
Yeah, you said the full.
Damn. The cities Florence and Milan are in which country?
Italy.
Who got it first? Probably a tie, right? Just rock, paper, scissors for it.
Oh shoot.
Nice. How many inches are in a yard?
2.3.
Inches.
36.
Yes.
I don't have like.
If you don't attempt it, you lose.
I literally cannot do it.
All right, that's it.